Welcome friends. In this very important video, I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum and some other coins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, my Telegram channel, and please like this video, thumbs up this video, and please share this video with all of your friends. And please comment the coin if you want any coin technical long-term analysis or short-term analysis. Here you can see friends, this is the BTC USDT for our Binance chart. In my last video, I was told you that Bitcoin was in this rising channel. I was told you that Bitcoin definitely will break this rising channel towards downside, and after that, my target I set was 27,252. But I was told you that this is the main resistance for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin must have to break this resistance, which is at $30,100 to $30,500 level. If Bitcoin break this towards downside and close hourly candle or 4-hourly candle below this support line, sorry, this is not a resistance, then definitely Bitcoin is going to hit this target, which was I set in my previous video. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Let me please show you how much this trade was profitable for you. Friend, please give me your support and please share this video to, with all your friends. This was 4.30%, you can say 4% trade. Congratulations to all if you took this trade, and if you use 10x leverage, then definitely you get 40% profit. Let me please tell you my next target for the immediate short-term target and the situation of the Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is currently struggling to hold this level very here you can see Bitcoin is doing very Bitcoin is struggling to break this support zone, but if Bitcoin hold this support zone and we see and if we see a pullback, then definitely we will see some sideways action like this. But for the top, I think the top of this upside movement will be 33,500 to 33,900 if Bitcoin hold this support zone and move towards upside. If we see a pullback, then in that case, but this is not going to happen in within 1 day or 2 days. I think it will take time. But currently all eyes are in this level, which is at $30,000 to $30,500 level. If Bitcoin break and close 4-hourly candle below this green box, green support line, then definitely Bitcoin will hit my target, which is at 27,252. Let me please show you other scenario. Let me please wait. Friend, please like this video and please share this video to all of your friends, because I am making this all videos to all of you, and in that videos I show you the exact target which I think Bitcoin must have to or Ethereum must have to hit. This is the BTC perpetual contract for our Binance chart. Here you can see in my previous video, and sorry for that. Here you can see in my previous video I was told you that Bitcoin is in this symmetrical triangle. If Bitcoin break this symmetrical triangles towards downside and close 4-hourly candle below this downtrend line, then Bitcoin definitely will go to this level, which is at 1900 and 19,250. This is not going to happen within 1 day, within 2 days, or within 5 days. I think it will take time, but we have to be very conscious right now, because if Bitcoin pull back from that point, then we may see some sideways action, and after that maybe it will go to hit 30,500 to 33,500 to $33,800 level, and after that we may see some sideways action, or maybe after that it will break out. It will break out. If this happens, in that case, which is most I think it is not it is less likely right now. In that case, the target is 44,400. Here you can see $44,500 level. all eyes currently on this downtrend line, and if Bitcoin break this downtrend line and close 4-hourly candle below $29,700 level, then definitely it will go down to hit $19,000 level. But for that, Bitcoin must have to break this major support zone, which is currently at let me please show you, which is currently at, sorry for that, please wait, 27,400 to 28,700. This is the major support zone for the Bitcoin right now. First support zone is 30,000 to 30,500. Then second support zone is 27,400 to 28,700. If in any case Bitcoin break this green box or this support zone, then definitely Bitcoin is going to hit this level in near future. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Ethereum. In my previous video, I was told you that Ethereum definitely will hit my target, and here you can see Ethereum hit my target, which was at 1250. I was told you that if Ethereum close 4-hourly candle below this and after that retest, and after that if a move to a downside, then my target, I was told you that it was at $1,100 level. I am waiting for this level. I think Ethereum must have to hit this level, but for this Ethereum has to let me please arrange but for this Ethereum must have to break this downtrend line, which is at $1,215, and if Ethereum close any 4-hour candle below this line, this will be the indication that I think Ethereum, then definitely it is going to hit this level, which is at $1,100 level. But for this Ethereum must have to break this support zone, which is currently at here you can see $1,250 level. If Ethereum close 4-hourly candle below this downtrend line, then there will be a good chance that it will go to $1,100 level. Let me please show you the volume currently now. Volume is very low. This is the main reason, I think. If we see some major volume come, some strong volume come in candles and in charts, then definitely in Ethereum, then definitely we can say that it will go up. Otherwise we may see some sideways action, or maybe it will go down to $1,100 level. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Ethereum break this EMA ribbon towards downside. EMA ribbon is currently at $1,300 level, and this is acting like a resistance for the Ethereum right now. Let me please show you my next chart, which is XRP. In my previous video, last video, I was told you XRP break this ascending triangle towards downside, and after that I was set this target, which was 0.2553, and how XRP beautifully hit my target. No XRP is at 0.25 cents level, 25 cent and 25.2 cents level, and I think the target I set for the Ripple is 0.23. You can say 23 cents level is my target. We have to wait, and let me please show you the volume. Volume is I think decent. In this big candle here you can see a big dump, and I think it will definitely going to hit $0.23 level. You can say 23 cents level very near future. Let me please show you my next chart, which is EOS. In my last video I was told you that EOS break this triangle towards downside, and I was set this target 2.378, and I was told you that if there is no volume in the chart, then it will move like this, and you can say after breakout you can say EOS hold this major support zone, which is at $2.5 level. If in any case EOS break this support zone and close 4-hourly candle below this support zone, which is at $2.5 level, then definitely it will going to hit $2.38 level very near future. Currently it is difficult to say, but we have to wait. I think things are very much clear right now, and we may see some sideways action or we may see a dip, but I think there are less chances to go for the EOS towards upside. So that's why I am removing these drawings. Here you can see. We have to wait. If EOS break this downtrend line and close forward over the candle below $2.5 level, then definitely it will it will hit $2.4 level. And if not, then we may see some sideways action like this in this horizontal zone. Let me please delete this. Let me please show you my next chart, which is LTC Litecoin. Here you can see in my last video I was told you that Litecoin must have to hold this. Litecoin must have to hit my target 127, and after that Litecoin must have to hold this downtrend line, and if hold this, then it will go up. But unfortunately Litecoin do not hold this support zone, and Litecoin is moving down right now. And let me please clear this chart. And here you can see Litecoin is at that level. If I remove this level, these drawings from my chart, then let me please show you immediate short-term targets according to the chart or pattern. Let me please show you. Here you can see Litecoin is currently in descending triangle, and if any condition Litecoin break this ascending triangle towards upside, actually this is a bullish pattern, and then definitely it is let me please tell you my immediate short-term target. If it pull back from that level, then our target will be at, let me please show you, $130 level. And if it pull back from that level, and let me please show you, and if it pull back from that level, then our next target will be at 135.6, 134.6. These are two targets I am waiting for. Maybe we see that Litecoin will break this support zone and will go down too. And if this happens, then let me please tell my target. If this happens, then, because situation is very critical right now, and we have to wait and we have to watch it very, very carefully. This is the currently I think the main target, $170 level. If Litecoin break this support zone, then in that case it will definitely going to hit $170 level. Otherwise, maybe Litecoin go up and break this support zone, then definitely it will go to $134 level, or maybe Litecoin pull back from that level, and after that it will hit this level. Currently these are the targets, $130, $134 level, and bearish target is $150 to $116 level. These are the targets. If Litecoin follow this pattern and respect this pattern, then this will happen. Maybe Litecoin hit $130, or maybe it is going to hit $135 level. If Litecoin does not do not respect this trend, this pattern, then definitely it is going to hit $160 level. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Link USDT. I was told you that Link will hit my target, and you say that. Here you can, let me please show you. Here you can see this was my target, $20.8 level, and let me please show you. And link is pulling back from that level, which is $21.15 level. If link hold this level and pull back, then our next target will be that area, which is at 24.5 or $24 level. Otherwise, if lose this grip, then definitely it is going to hit $17.5 level. We have to wait, and we have to wait very carefully. I told both targets. If pull back from that level, then definitely our first target will be 23.2, and after that 24.2. If break this support zone, which is at currently $21 level, and close 4 hourly candle below $21 level, then definitely it will go to $17.6 level. These are the two scenarios, and these are the two patterns, two targets I am watching right now. Let me please show you my next chart, which is the Stellar Lumens. Here you can see. In my last video, I was told you that Stellar was in this horizontal channel and break this horizontal channel towards downside, and I was set this target 0.2438, and how beautifully Stellar hit my target. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade, and let me please calculate the target. Sorry for that. This was 10.5% trade. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. If you use 10x leverage, then definitely you got 100% profit in this trade. Congratulations to all of you. And if you want to go to trade in Bybit or in Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description, where you can find these links. This is the Bybit exchange link. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds only, and you will get $600 bonus absolutely free. And these are the bonuses. This is the bonus detail. And if you want to register on Binance Exchange, and if you want to open a new account, then click on this link. Then you will create your new Binance account or a brand new Binance account within 30 minutes or 30 seconds, sorry. So please show me your support. Please like this video, share this video to all of your friends, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. Link is in this video's description. Now, what is the next for the Stellar coin right now? Let me please tell you. Stellar is currently in this falling channel, and if Stellar break this falling channel towards upside, in any case, let me please show you, then definitely it will go to this level, $0.258 level. And if Stellar goes down, then definitely it will hit $0.23 level, or you can say 23 cents level. These are two targets. Bearish target is 23 cents, and bullish target is upside target is 0.25. You can say 25.7 cents. Let me please show you my next chart, which is the VET. Here you can see VChain. I was told you in my previous video, VChain was in this horizontal channel and was struggling to hold this support zone, and now it break this whole support zone, and now it is trading at $0.02823 level. And I was set this target, which is at 0.0240, and I think if it pull back from that level, then definitely it will go up. Otherwise, it will go down to hit this level very soon. We have to wait. I think it will go down to hit this level, 0.02414. Let me please clear this chart. And if you took this trade from that point, let me please show you how much profit you get 8.6 8.7, and with the next it is 87% profit. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Please join my Telegram channel for more information, real-time information that I post regularly on my Telegram channel. Let me please show you my next chart, and let me please show you. This is ADA USDT. I was told you that ADA is struggling to hold this. ADA break this upside channel. Sorry, this is horizontal channel, and after that ADA break this support zone, and I was set this target 0.313. You can see 31.3 cents level, and ADA is very near to hit this target. And congratulations to all of you who took this trade from that level. If you took this trade from that level, then it is 8%. You can say 80% if you use 10x leverage. Congratulations to all once again who took this trade. And please show your support to me, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will give you definitely very information, very good information and informative content, useful content that will help you in trading. Here you can see this is the Polkadot. I was told you that Polkadot was in this rising broadening channel and broadening wedge, and here you can see the breakout happens, and I was told you Polkadot definitely is going to hit 16.06. No, Polkadot hit my target. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. If you took this trade, then this trade will give you, I think here you can see 12.7. It's been 120% in 10 with 10x leverage. Thanks. Congratulations, and many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Let me please show you what is the next in this chart right now. Here you can see Polkadot is in descending triangle, and if in any case Polkadot break this descending triangle, actually it is a bullish pattern, then definitely it will go up. And in that case, let me please show you my immediate short-term upside target. And if Polkadot break this from that level, then definitely it will go to this $16.91 level, or if Polkadot break this towards upside from that level, then definitely it will go down to it will go up to this level. But we have to wait. I think this is not going to happen, and Polkadot I think will go to this level, and which is at $15 level, and maybe after that we see some pump in the Polkadot coin's price. Polkadot must have to hit this level, and after that Polkadot I think will go to hit this level. Otherwise, if Polkadot break this support zone, then let me please tell you, in that case Polkadot is going to hit $14.07 or $14.08 level, and after that we may see some upside action in Polkadot. Currently we have to set this from that level, I think, and I think Polkadot will hit this level, and after that we may see some pump in Polkadot. Otherwise, Polkadot is going to hit this level very soon, and after that we may see some pump in Polkadot price. We have to wait, and these are the two levels. If Polkadot pull back from that level, which is at $14.90, then definitely it will hit 16.60. Otherwise, it will go down to $13.75 level. Let me please show you my next chart, which is BNB Binance Coin. In my last video, I was told you that Binance Coin was in this rising channel and break this rising channel towards downside, and I was set this target $39.68 level. And now, what is next? Let me please remove this. Let me please clean the chart and please stay the video. And if you want to join BNB's trading, then please go to in video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get the Binance link. Please click on this link and create your account and get BNB coin from Binance Exchange. What is next now? This is the main question. Let me please do this. This is the currently support zone, and this is the currently second support zone for the BNB coin, and BNB is struggling in this support zone. Let me please tell you my next targets. If BNB Binance coin break this towards downside, break this support zone towards downside, which is at $40 level, then definitely it will go to $36.5 level. This is the bearish target for me. Otherwise, you may see it will go down to hit $40 level, or after that maybe it will go up. Otherwise, if break this, then this is our next target, which is at $36 level. We have to watch this support zone, which is at $40 level, very carefully. Let me please show you my next chart. Friend, please, I need your support very much, and please give your support. And this is the Bitcoin Cash chart. I was told you that Bitcoin Cash was in this horizontal channel, and I was told you if Bitcoin Cash hold this support zone, then it will go up, and if it lose this and if break this support zone, then definitely it will going to hit this level, which was at 36.1. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Let me please show you how much you will earn from that trade. How you earn. This is the 57% trade. Congratulations to all. This is the total 5.75%, and if you use 10x, then it is 57%, and if you use 20x, then it is, I think so, 114%. Congratulations to many congratulations to all of you. Now my next bearish target for the Bitcoin Cash is $360. That's it, 361 to 360. Let me please show you my next chart. Kusama coin, I make a detailed video of Kusama coin in my channel. Please go to my channel, please go to my channel, and where you can watch complete video of Kusama coin. I was told you Kusama was in this horizontal channel and break this horizontal towards downside, and I was told you that definitely it is going to hit $86 level, and here you can see Kusama break this toward downside. And let me please show you how much you get from that trade. And this is 8%, 80% I think with 10x. Congratulations to all once again if you took this trade. Now question is that where we are going and what is the next target for Kusama coin right now. Kusama's main support line currently is this. If Kusama break this support zone, then definitely it will going to hit $85 level. If pull back from that level, then we may see some sideways action. After that it will hit this $100, and after that it will go down. But it is very less likely. I think Kusama coin will hit this zone 85, will hit this target $85 in near future. If goes up, then our next target will be in $100. If goes down, our next target is $86. These are two targets, upside and for the downside. This is the Algorand. I make a complete video for all of you. Please watch this video, go to my channel and please visit my channel, and after that you can watch a detailed video of this channel with of this coin. This is Algorand. I was told you that, in my previous video, Algorand was in this ascending triangle and will break this toward downside, and here you can see I will set this target 0.52 and Kusama hit 0.53.45, and let me please show you how much you gain you get from this. This was 97% trade. Congratulations to all of you who took this beautiful trade. And now the question is that, let me please remove these drawings. What is the next target for sorry, Algorand, it is not Kusama. What is the next target for the Algorand right now? Let me please show you. This is the main support zone right now for Algorand. If Algorand break this support zone, then definitely it will go down to, let me please tell you my target. Our next biggest target for the Algorand is 0.44. You can say 44 cents. If Algorand break this support zone, which is at 0.53, I think you can say 54 cents level. If Algorand close 4 hourly candle below 54 cents level, this will be the indication that it will go to 44 cents. This is my target. Otherwise, we may see maybe it will go to this level 0.5360, and after that we may see a pullback. These are two currently scenarios. We have to watch this downtrend line, which is at 0.5375. If 4 hourly candle close below 53 cents, then definitely it will hit $44 level. 0.44 dollars, you can say 44 cents. This is my last coin. This is the Neo USDT. Here you can see. In my last video, I was make for the Neo coin. This is a special video. Please go to please go to my channel's video, and where you can get Neo coins complete video, in which I was told you Neo will definitely going to hit my target, and I tell my long-term targets, my short-term target, and very long duration target for the Neo coin in this video. I was told you that Neo must have to hold this downtrend line and this trend line, otherwise it will go down to, and I was told you that it is going to $19.6 level. Currently here you can see Neo break this towards downside, and this was the trade of, I think if you took this trade from that point, then you took 74% profit. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. If you use 10x average, then this was the trade of 74%. My next bearish target for the Neo coin is 19.5 rate. You can say $19.60. Thanks friend, thanks for the watching. This is the video, and I think I missed Tron coin, and let me please show you the Tron coins chart. Friend, please show your support. Please like this video. Please share this video to all of your friends, and I will give you definitely more informative content and very useful content in short term or in long term. Please subscribe my channel. Please show your support. This is the Tron chart. Let me please arrange this chart. This is the main chart, Tron. In my last video, I was told you that Tron will going to break this channel upside. Sorry, it was a ascending broadening wedge, and I was set this target 0.028, and look at this. How beautifully Tron hit my target. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade, and this was the trade of 73%, you can say. And if you use 10x, then 73%. If you use 20x, then definitely it is 140%. Congratulations to all of you. Let me please show you my next target for the Tron right now. Let me please. I was told you that this is the main support zone for the Tron right now, $0.028 level. If Tron break this support zone, then definitely it is going to hit. Let me please show you my next target, next bearish target for the Tron right now, because Tron is struggling, and sorry for that. This is the target, $0.02728. This is my target. This is my target for the Tron right now. But for this, Tron must have to break this strong support zone, which is at 0.028. If Tron break this support zone and close 4 hourly candle below this downtrend line, down support zone, which is at 0.028, then definitely it will go to $0.02728 level. This is the video, friends. Thanks for the watching, and if you want to create new account of Binance Exchange, then please go to videos comment section. Then you can find the link of Binance Coin. Just click on this link and make your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to get $600 bonus absolutely free, then go to in this video description where you can find $600 bonus and can get the link of Bybit, where you can you have to click, and you have to make a new account within 30 seconds. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.